Got a sec? Because I want to show you one of the ways we've helped our manufacturing clients absolutely crush it. And yes, it involves those pesky spreadsheets. You know the ones, multi-page, multi-celled beasts that seem to multiply overnight. Yeah, you'll never have to open Excel to query something again. Okay, maybe not never ever again, but you get the idea. Let's take this Excel document, for example. It's got about 300 rows, 10 columns, and 6 sheets. The wild part is this is considered small compared to some of the files I know you wrestle with daily. Anyway, here's where ResolveIQ comes to the rescue. Instead of clicking, scrolling, and running formulas, you simply chat with your data. Yep, chat. We feed ResolveIQ this spreadsheet monster, build a language model around it, and then boom! Picture this. You open the interface and type, "Are we on track with our production timelines?" Press enter, and bam. Your answer pops up, complete with insights you didn't even ask for. But wait, it gets better. You can keep chatting. What's causing delays in completed projects? How can I minimize this? You're not just querying data anymore. You're having a full-on conversation with your business. And here's the best part. It's easy to implement and delivers quick efficiency gains. Yep, easy sell to the boss. We always tell our clients, start small.
Number 2 is think small.
Find your pain points, have a conversation with us, and stack up on those quick wins. AI doesn't have to be an overwhelming all-or-nothing project. It can be a series of small, smart steps that lead to the big impacts everyone's buzzing about. So if you're ready to eliminate some of those mundane, repetitive tasks, reach out. Our team geeks out over AI, and honestly, nothing makes us happier than building new use cases to show off.